Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert Word document into Excel spreadsheet. So from here I have the document right here. Now ideally you are just going to separate them via one, how can I say, one tab or one tab space. So I'm just going to do that. But say for example we have added, like, there are two tabs here. I'm going to show you what will happen here as well. So click the file right here, save as, and then we're gonna choose plain text here. Click this one, and then let's go ahead and rename this one. Here, this is a text file, and then we're gonna go ahead and click save. And yeah, we're seeing something like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit OK, and then we're gonna head over and open Excel. So now that we've opened, we're gonna go ahead and click data right here from text for CSV, and then let's go ahead and open the desktop. This is the file where you're working with. Click import right here, and what's gonna happen is that in my case, I have saved this where I've separated them with tab. So this is what will happen. So you have the ID number here, you have the name, and then you have this one. So the reason why we have this is because we have added tabs here. So two tab spaces created this one. In this case also this was three tabs. So I'm just gonna click load right here and we can fix it easily. So this one I'm just going to go ahead and paste it here. In this column we don't need that, so I'm gonna delete that one. The same thing here. So there is going to be a minor adjustment, but basically that is how you are going to do it. I hope this video helps you on how to convert Word document into Excel spreadsheet.